Right, hi everyone, welcome back again. Yeah, as I'm nearing the end of this MGB, what I'm just got to finish off now is these wheels. They're not bad, but you know, obviously they're chrome ones. I've already started giving this one a clean up. I'm just getting rid of the worst of the black out of here, and I'm just going to paint up around there with a brush. So yeah, I'm going to give these a bit of a clean up and then give them a paint up, and then yeah, they are what they are. So yeah, good eye. I'm just going to use the white brush bit in the drill. Right, so that's them all cleaned up as much as I'm going to clean them up now. All I've got to do now is paint the black inserts. It's going to be fun. Right, so I've just got some black enamel. I've thinned it down a little bit, and I've only got a cheapy paintbrush, so I have no idea how well this is going to go. Hopefully it'll come out alright. I just think it's easier to do it like this than trying to do it, trying to mask it up. Well, it don't look too bad yet. And keep it in the lines. Right, so you ready for it? There's a quick reveal on my wheels. Yeah, it come out pretty good, I think. It's definitely worth the effort doing it. Is it easier to hand paint them? Don't know. It's pretty tedious whether you're masking them or painting them with a brush, I guess. Right, so that only now leaves me with the speedo cable to fit, and then this thing is done. Although one thing I did just do, which Marty over on Crap to Cream mentioned a few weeks ago, was that there should be a rubber under this, and there wasn't. Now there is, but I didn't film that either. But yeah, so I've done that now, so yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Right, cool. Right, so not the most exciting video, just me like painting the black bits on my chrome rostyles, but thanks for watching, and I will speak to you all soon.